Good morning, afternoon, evening. Welcome back to the channel that helps you easily navigate the financial jungle, whether that be cryptocurrency, stocks, and overall financial news. Guys, I quickly wanted to hop on today and cover a company that I found very interesting. Their company is called Bigg Digital Assets Inc, ticker BBKCF. This company essentially wants to help regulate cryptocurrency transactions. Now, I know that doesn't sound very attractive. A lot of crypto enthusiasts like myself, people who have been involved with it for years and years now, we don't really want to see that transition. But unfortunately, it has been already happening. We see this with Coinbase issuing 1099s. We see this Robinhood issuing 1099s on crypto transactions, and basically any cryptocurrency platform where you can buy and or trade crypto. We see them now issuing tax forms so that we don't get in hot water with the government. This company is also doing kind of the same thing, but on a much larger scale for businesses that are accepting cryptocurrency as payment. Just so we can get a little bit of context here, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, have started to gain some mainstream adoption. We can see this with Elon Musk and Tesla now accepting Bitcoin as a means of payment, and other businesses have been following. PayPal has continued to add different crypto assets to its platform. And as these businesses continue to accept these cryptocurrency payments, the government is going to be standing there with their hands out, just like they do with us individuals. Now, if we actually visit this company's website, we can see that they don't only trade on the over-the-counter markets in the US, but they also trade on the Canadian exchange as well as the Frankfurt exchange in Germany. Now, this company seems to think in very large terms. I think it's trying to operate in an international sense. If we actually scroll down, we'll see a bit of their services that they offer. So if we take a look at these specific acronyms here, we'll see anti-money laundering, AML, we'll see CTF, which means combating the financing of terrorism. We'll also see KYC, which is know your customer, and OFAC, which is Office of Foreign Assets Control. Basically, these are all large regulatory bodies that any international or even small business has to answer to when collecting any revenues. And I'm sure most of us would agree that when accepting cryptocurrency payments, these international, mid-sized, and even small businesses are definitely going to be under the microscope with all of these organizations. So this is one of their products, BitRank Verified. So I'll provide an example based on my understanding just so I can demonstrate how this works. So now that people can buy Teslas using Bitcoin, the company is going to be under more strict oversight from a lot of these regulatory agencies. So this product, BitRank Verified, assesses transactions. So if I were to buy a Tesla using Bitcoin, and ultimately ensures that Tesla in this example is not adopting any crazy liability by accepting this Bitcoin from me. And by liability, I mean ensuring that the person who's spending that money did not receive it through illegal means such as human trafficking, illicit drug sales, the list goes on and on. Ensuring that they're compliant with anti-money laundering laws, know your customer laws, etc., etc. And ultimately, the product assesses these transactions and scores it based on the presumed liability. Now, if we look at another service they provide, this company claims that they can visually track, trace, and monitor illicit cryptocurrency activities involving Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and Litecoin. Now, it's a big deal that they also just put in their ERC20 tokens because ERC20 tokens, as many of you may know, those make up a lot of the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. So the fact that they're saying they can track illicit cryptocurrency activities involving all of these different assets, that's a big deal. Now, I just wanted to bring attention to something I noticed when looking at this. This company doesn't claim that they can identify a person based on a cryptocurrency address. However, the fact that they are claiming they can monitor cryptocurrency activities involving all of these different assets is still something to note. In summary, guys, if you think cryptocurrency is the future, if you think that businesses are going to continue to accept cryptocurrency as payment, as I believe they will, then this company may be something you want to look at. The government is always going to have its hand out. They're always going to want their piece of the pie, and they're going to try and figure out as many ways as possible to do that and accomplish that. I think this company is taking somewhat of a realistic look at the cryptocurrency ecosystem and the regulators overseeing it, as well as the businesses attempting to accept it and trying to merge all of those worlds. In my opinion, it's somewhat of a realistic look at the cryptocurrency world, and this company, or at least its focus, may have somewhat of a role to play in this new ecosystem that we see developing. Besides that, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am wishing you all health and wealth. If you found any value in this video, please feel free to hit the like button as well as subscribe so you can continue to see videos like this. Peace.